Today we're going to draw a singing cucumber. When I draw, I like to start with a curved line. That's called the line of action. It kind of follows the curve of the spine and dictates where the body is going to go. I also like to start with basic shapes. This guy's shape is a cylinder that's bent. He could also be a hot dog if you want, but today we're drawing a cucumber. Sometimes when you're drawing, you get one idea and then you start drawing it and then you notice, oh, that didn't actually look that right. And that's a perfect example right here is the eyes. I made them a little bit higher to begin with, and then once I started drawing and started thinking about it, thinking about what looks better, I changed them and I made them bigger. And you'll see that when we start inking the drawing. Okay, let's start with the ovals for the eyes. And I'm going to draw over top of them again to make the frames thicker. And I'm going to make almost these triangle shapes for the eyes. They're not completed triangles. And then a line for the rest of the glasses. We're going to make a bump for the eyebrow there, and then curve it around all the way down like a upside down U shape. I'm going to make it a little more darker. And I'm going to pull out the lip a little bit, and then do a oval for the top of the mouth. And then another oval for the bottom of the mouth. Then I'll do the bottom lip. I'm going to pull that out a bit with a curved line. Then I'll do a thumb and some fingers for a hand and the forearm and the other arm on the other side. Here I'll do the next hand, thumb, fingers, and arm. I'm going to make his arm a little bit curved. And then I'll do the back, and it's going to go down into a big U shape for the rest of his body. And that's okay if I went past his arm there, because he's going to be wearing long sleeves. I'm going to make a dashed line to suggest the bumps in the cucumber. Then we'll do the legs. The legs will be a little bit fatter on the top and tapered down to the ankle. Same on the other side. And then the feet are basically like little wedges. And then I'm going to define those wrists just a little more and add seeds in the mouth pointing inwards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.